Welcome, everybody. Like usual, it's 2 minutes before we kick things off and we get the speakers up here. So while we are getting everything organized and ready and to start, please take the time to use the restroom, get a snack, get something to drink. This is going to be a nice, great AMA. Obviously, the miners has been doing great with bringing quality projects and companies to the space, but man, today is nothing short of good. So obviously, prepare yourself for a great one. Get your snacks, get ready. We're going to be relaxing into some really cool stuff and bringing some value to the ecosystem that is needed. It's been long awaited, and I think it's going to be awesome for you guys to be able to get an early sneak into what they're doing. So, like I said, please take the time and do that. And then when you're back, take the time to join their socials while we get things ready, and do your research. Maybe open up their white papers and understand what they're doing and follow along. So that at the end you can possibly get some questions in or comments in that I can read off. Either way, we're going to be kicking things off here in just a minute, guys. So just hold right up. Hello, hello. Just preparing before we start. Do a little mic check to make sure you can hear me clear and I can hear you clear.
Yeah, hello, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, loud and clear. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
Oh man, I'm wonderful, man. I tell you what, I'm always excited when I get to do some work with CoinW. So you guys, your entire platform is wonderful. I actually I do a lot of work with you guys and bring a lot of teams over there on my freelance work. So once I heard you guys were coming in and what I was reading about, doing my research, I was just really excited because you guys are definitely doing some cool stuff in the ecosystem, bring a lot of value to the overall growth. I think, especially as we run into the coming bull run. I think what we're going to be talking about is going to be a huge success, especially for people trying to come in and educate themselves in the blockchain. So really,
Yeah,
really
that's
freaking
mean,
excited.
yeah, thank you so much for your kind thoughts and kind ideas. Thank you so much. We are also proud to, organizing this AMA with you guys. Thank you so
Oh
much
yeah,
as a CoinW
most
Group
definitely,
Trading.
man. Most definitely. I'll definitely say your entire platform, your Twitter Spaces, everything that I follow along um, and help out in the background, whatever I do, it's been such a great value. So, and I love to see the growth that you guys have been doing and how much commitment you guys have been doing to your community too. There's a lot you guys do for your community, so I'm just really excited. So, with that being said, it's top of the hour. I won't mind, or the beginning of the hour, I wouldn't mind jumping into it. I have a little opening statement, and then we'll just jump into some questions if you don't mind.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So today I'm here to introduce CoinW Prop Trading. Everybody, you should be familiar with CoinW, but if you're not, please do take the time to follow them. They have many different socials and a huge platform. You guys can find value within their platform in many different ways. So please take the time, obviously, to do that. But their trading platform is designed to empower crypto users to really find themselves within the space, understand product, and even understand different trading patterns within the CoinW ecosystem, and allow you to kind of understand the inherent value within crypto. And I think it's a fantastic opportunity. So that being said, go ahead and introduce yourself and a little bit about CoinW and trading prop platform and seeing what you guys are doing in the space and your guys' core mission.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much. I am Kaan from CoinW PropTrading team, and I am marketing manager of the CoinW PropTrading. We basically do some, funded account and trading product. Let me start. CoinW, as you know, has been serving in the crypto industry with the law since 2017, and we are ready to take this love to the next level, guys. Say hello to our new product, CoinW Prop Trading. And basically, CoinW Prop Trading is now funding CoinW users with up to 200,000 USDT to take their trades to the next level, guys. We found the traders, we found the successful traders, and we give them, huge starting capital. With CoinW Prop Trading, you can qualify for up to 200,000 in funding and receive up to 90% of your profits. This is the highest profit share ratio of the prop trading ecosystem. And CoinW offers the users a professional platform, up-to-date market guidance, trading, and startup capital. All you have to do is showing your trading skills, guys. Basically, CoinW PropTrading. That's all.
Oh, that's exciting. No, I definitely understand that. Given that inherent value and opportunity for a lot of these traders, I think that's kind of what has held a lot of these traders behind that are really smart and know how to read analytics really well. It's their starting capital. I think that that limits a lot of people as being able to show their value, their skill set, and be able to bring that value to the CoinW exchange or the prop trading platform. I think is a huge win overall for your guys' analytics and growth metrics, but also to show value to those that actually have the skills but just lack the funding. So with that said, what are some of the advantage of using CPT, the CoinWeb prop trading?
Yeah, before talking about the advantages, I want to say a story. We just figure out that we have lots of traders, and we just figure out that most of the traders is doing great. But when you go to the details, these traders don't have enough capital to make large amount profit. They do better trade. They do almost positive ROI in their every trade, but they have a problem. The biggest problem is here is capital. If you don't
I
have enough,
totally agree. I
yeah,
totally 100% agree.
yeah. If you don't have enough capital to the trade, you can do your best, but it can't be enough for for yourself. So we just created CoinW Prop Trading, and we just want the users to use our capital and do your trade. If you do successful trades, you can take 90% of that trade's profits. Yeah,
No, that's totally exciting because I know a couple of friends of mine that that was their limitation for a long time. Was man, they're successful. They had like 75% trade success for a long time, and they said that their huge problem was actually the funding, and it wasn't until months and months of successful trades that they actually were able to allocate enough funding to really make an impact to their life. And I think that opportunity that you guys represent right here, with the prop trading is huge value to those that, like I was saying, that like, and you agree, that lack the funding, but they have the skill set. And I think that's ultimate a huge problem with a lot of Web3, is actually a lot of skilled, a lot of good creators, a lot of good builders out there, but it's overall funding. And so I like your guys' step to really alleviate that pain within the trading ecosystem.
yes, you're absolutely right. Yeah, we will do that product, and we will solve all of the problems in the trading ecosystem. And I
I'm
want to,
excited. I'm looking forward to sign up to it. So, anybody
yeah,
here that is looking to take their skill set to the next level, if you really believe that you can make a difference in your trading and it's really funding that there's a problem, this is a good opportunity right here. I mean, you just sign up, you start trading, and you start getting success, and then within that success, you're rewarded. I think that right there is a win-win. You're also helping CoinW constantly grow, and so it's a win-win for everybody ultimately. And I think that rewarding your users with effective, good trading is a positive. So
yeah, this is our main mission, bro. And I want to talk about some advantages of the CoinW prop trading. You can hear me clearly, right?
of course, yes. And
Yeah. Okay.
ultimately, there's so much value within this prop trading. I don't want to slow down with just me. If at all points you need to pick it up or say something or bring something up, this is your hour. This is your like podcast basically. I want you to feel free to just go at it.
Okay. We have the more favorable registration fee. Compare with the exiting prop trading platforms in the market, CoinW prop trading will give a discount of almost 0.5% to 10% on the registration fee for the users with different challenge levels. So basically, you just pay less than ever you pay for the funded accounts. And also, we have better funding. For the users of the CoinW Prop Trading, you can have a funded account up to 200,000 USDT. This means a lot. in the general market for the cryptos, it's like around to 100,000 USDT maximums. And we also present, greater leverage. This means we give 5 times leverage on the all trading pairs. This conductive the users more fully face the challenges of the prop trading. And we are cryptocurrency exchange. CoinW is a huge cryptocurrency exchange. So we know the crypto and we know the how to crypto exchange is managed. So we can support crypto traders as much as anybody do. We are better than any other prop firms because we are coming from the crypto sector. Unlike the existing prop trading platforms, we realize CoinW's trading resources to bring our users a better experience in terms of the types of cryptocurrencies and traded and frequency of the new crypto trades. And there is more advantages. I am sorry for this takes long time, but we have lots of advantages. Another advantage
You're good.
yeah,
You're good. Take your time.
Yeah, sorry, but really we have lots of advantages. And the other one is greater trading limit. This means there is no limitation in our product. No minimum trading day, unlimited trading day, and you can use your funded account forever. This means we don't want to you pay us in every month or every 3 months. You just pay once, and if you success, you can use that account forever. CoinW PropTrading supports no consistency of limitations. CoinW try to all to realize the freedom of trading, guys. And we have, you are familiar with the CoinW, interface, and we just designed that for the as much as it could be easy.
I totally agree. Actually, I utilize CoinW Exchange in the platform, and I tell you what, it is very easy, very seamless, and it's not too overbearing when it comes to like everything popping up and everything. It's just very informative. The news is right there, your notifications right there, your trading's right there, your assets right there. It's just real easy, really good to understand, but a huge value within what you've built.
Yeah, thank you so much. And there's a special thing about that. Unlike the exciting existing prop trading platforms, they are using third-party tools for the trading. They are using API trading, and they are not exchange. We are the first exchange crypto prop trading platform. Sorry, not for only crypto. We are the first exchange-based prop trading firm. So this means we have full control on our product. Basically, if the users has a problem, we can solve that as much in a really short time. And also there is no problems about the API or something, because we don't use API. We don't relate it with another company. CoinW Prop Trading is CoinW's own product, and we use our futures trading pairs and our futures order book. This means, for example, I cannot give name, but some prop trading firms has trouble because of the API connection lost. Lots of the users lost their funded account. Lots of the users, cannot close their orders or something like that. But in the CoinW prop trading, there is no problem such that. And the last advantages, I know it's really boring, but we have the easier challenge. The requirements and limitations of the challenge conditions are more reasonable in CoinW platform, CoinW PropTrading platform. When we compare with the traditional platform, there's a better advantages of the capital withdrawal.
Yeah, that I tell you what, I hope everybody fell along with that because that's a plethora of advantages. Like usually when I ask that question, what kind of advantages does your product have? I usually get one or two answers, and they're, just the usual basic stuff. Sometimes it's really cool and we're informative, but man, you guys broke down many advantages there, and ultimately, it shows the testament of the hard work you guys have been building. Because obviously, CoinW has been around since 2017. Like it was one of my first exposure into the crypto space, and I think that right there is shown the strong commitment the team has built up until what you guys are coming out now with another inherent value that is missing in the ecosystem: a fully backed, fully functioning, easy to use, easy to utilize trading platform. I think that prop trading is a huge advantage, not only, like I was saying earlier, to current users, but users trying to come in that are forex savvy or centralized exchange savvy, but want to take their experience to the next level without those limitations that they have already with themselves, like either funding or access. And I think that is one thing that you guys are fostering: easy to grow, scalability. Anybody can come in and utilize this ecosystem, but also inherently grow your value. And 90% of your wins is huge on something when you give them that much to be able to play with. Because we already know that as much as 65K-ish Bitcoin is great and all, we know we haven't even touched nearly the water level of where the iceberg is really at the tip. So, we have so much time to come, and I think preparing themselves for this upcoming bull run with this trading platform is going to be a win-win for CoinW and the users utilizing it. So I'm really excited, to see, what you guys be able to accomplish with a massive user base coming in. It's going to be crazy. And I think that analytics is also going to help CoinW's platform, just get even better, because more people coming in allows you guys to facilitate more value within your ecosystem.
Yeah, you absolutely right, bro. Yeah, I'm totally agree with you. And this prop trading will be crazy, we have high demand. Yeah, we almost, use our whole capital, but it's worth it,
Yeah, no, I definitely understand it's worth it, especially when you can see that the crypto space does already have some really great traders out there that are utilizing some platforms, but a lot of those guys already had their inherent value. So a lot of people are following them because they're making great trades, but big value. And they taught a lot of people out here how to trade. I know for myself, I know how to read a chart analytics, for an entire year, for a month, and see what's going on. But sometimes it's funding that even limitates myself. So I think that this is just one more barrier in the crypto that needed to get broke down. And I think you guys are doing real well with it. So with that being said, you did mention a little bit about challenge. Did you want to maybe kind of break down the CPT challenge rules?
Yeah, of course. First of all, we have two different challenge modes. These are normal and hard mode, two different challenge modes. And these two modes have different rules. Both challenge types consist of the two fuzz. There's a two fuzz. One is there's a two fuzz, and I can talk about normal mode. At the normal mode, the profit target is 8% in the first fuzz and 5% in the second fuzz. In hard mode, it's 10% in the first fuzz and 5% in the second fuzz. This means you need to complete these profit targets to complete fuzz 1 and fuzz 2, first fuzz and second fuzz. In the normal mode, there are account sizes from $5,000 to $100,000. And for the hard mode, account sizes starts with the $10,000 and it's increased up to $200,000. This means you can choose any type of account for your trades, for your prop trading experience. In addition, this is the important part. 100% refund opportunity awaits the users if they successfully complete both phases. we don't get any money, and we just give back our deposit, safe deposit. And there are two things the user should be careful for a successful challenge. The first is the 10% of maximum use, and 5% maximum daily use. In the hard mode, this rates change to
I'm not sure if it's me, but you're starting to rug a little bit. Like cut out a tiny bit.
Oh, okay. Maybe my connection lost. Can you hear me clearly?
I can hear you, but it's not like it's kind of not clear. I don't know what it's like. You kind of wave in and out. You don't necessarily cut out, but it's like you go loud and then quiet and loud and quiet. Go ahead and speak again. Let's try it again.
Oh, is it not right now?
I don't know. I don't know if it's me. Can I get a thumbs up from my community that can you hear him clearly right now?
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, there you go. Now you sound good. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. The important part is there is a 100% refund opportunity awaits the users. This means if you complete the whole phase 1 and second phase, you will get a refund. You take your money back. And there are just two things you should be careful of for a successful challenge. The first thing is 10% maximum loss and 5% maximum daily loss. In the hard mode, these rates change to 6% and 4%. This part you need to be careful. After completing these phases, the second phase and the first phase, you can start trading and withdraw 90% of your profits. It's now 80%, but we can provide 90% for some successful traders. For more detailed information, you can visit our CoinW PropTrading website. Thank you very much.
And so with the other 10% or 20%, where does that go? Or how is that utilized within when you go to withdraw? Is that a fee that you pay to the team, CoinW, for allowing you to be able to make these great profits?
It's our part. We serve capital, so we took 20%.
Totally understand that. That's why I was clearing up. It's one thing that I love about what you guys do and what we do here. It's about transparency. So I just wanted to make sure people know that obviously this is how you guys make your money, and I love it that way. I'd rather it be on the back end versus the upfront end. You're allowing people to successfully trade and earn back their initials that they spent into it and still have value using your ecosystem, but then in turn still get rewarded by their successful trade. So I think it's a win-win from the very beginning. And I think you guys are doing real well with not only the value that you're bringing inherently, but the value you're going to bring as we continually scale into the bull run. I think this is awesome, the opportunity that people have here.
Yes, you're right. Transparency comes first. CoinW PropTrading takes 20% of our profits. I think this is not a really huge amount. I think this is, variable and very good about the sharing ratio. No,
100%. I agree that fully. That's obviously people have to realize in order for a team to work hard and continually scale and grow and update the platform, give you great user support, give you opportunities to earn well, you guys have to get paid too. Like that's how it works. And so like this is it's a business, right? If you're going to make it to where they can earn 80% of their earnings off of the ability to be able to trade with either $100,000 or $200,000, right there is its own inherent value, especially some of these guys that are, I would say a guppy in the space, that have the skill to be a shark or have the skills to be a whale out there. This is an opportunity where you can actually put your money where your mouth is. You get your small upfront cost, you complete the challenges, get that paid back while still growing and profiting off of an ecosystem that has great scalability. I think that right there is a win-win in itself. And I hope my community is really taking it at heart, because I know there's some traders in here that I've talked to before that are really good, that they teach me stuff all the time. And I think that this is an opportunity for them to really level up, scale up their profitability or even their exposure across many different assets. So a lot of times exposure can be the biggest win. Even if you're not making daily candle wicks wins, some of these mid to long term projects are just waiting for their run up. You know, their marketing wallets packed, they're ready and waiting for that influx of people. And if you get in there right now, nice and early, you know, just imagine what you could do when you have an actual funding wallet that actually could produce real outcome and real wins and life changing, opportunities there. So, um, what are some of the unique features though, and how is it, you know, different from its competitors?
Yeah, CoinW PropTrading is the product of a strong, reliable cryptocurrency platform. This means we are coming from cryptocurrency exchange. As I mentioned before, other prop firms are just funding platforms. They don't have any order book or they don't have any exchange. They use other exchanges or the other liquidity providers API. You know, and CoinW provides funding within its own exchange and its own order book. This gives us full control over prop trading. In short, our users will have no problems with the third parties because there are no third parties. We completely created and we completely manage our platform. And we also know crypto. Our crypto experience is awesome, and we are bringing that experience with a new product. I think it's wrong to compare CoinW prop trading with the other prop trading products because it's completely different product, bro.
You know, I actually like that answer, and I want to kind of piggyback on the first part of what you said. I think that is some of the inherent problems, you know, with some of those other prop trading is the fact that they aren't all in-house and they don't have their own built ecosystem from the ground up. They're using these APIs, and sometimes these APIs are either uh, over congested or they go down, or sometimes the platform overall is just having connectivity issues, and they won't have exact real time price to action going on and allow you to not make that exact trade in a time. And I think having CoinW as the platform's infrastructure overall to get the price action, you know, really good and on time, I think that right there is going to make a huge wave in people's ability to trade and make inherent value within the ecosystem. So I definitely agree with that. That's a really good answer, man. You really, you know, I tell you what, for, you know, in this AMA, you've been killing it. Like, you know, from understanding the challenges to the opportunities to what sets you guys so much apart. You know, the value is there. So I want to say it one more time before we move on to the next question. Please take the time, join their socials, start understanding, you know, the inherent value. Join their socials and start asking some community members advice. You never know what kind of friendship, advice, or even mentorship you can get from some of these guys. Some of these guys love to share their knowledge and bring up the ecosystem. So I think that's another inherent value is the socialify part of it, bringing together traders that are all trying to, you know, make life-changing opportunities, but also educate each other in the space.
Yeah, bro, totally right. And I want to add something more about the difference of the CoinW prop trading. It's funny, but the same problem about the API. You know, for example, some prop firm can, forget to pay its API server bill. So this means if you lost the connection with the API, you can there is really they can really lose lots of money and lots of capital, and the users will affect that. But we have own servers, so there is no server bill or any other stuff.
Yeah, and on top of that, you guys are an exchange, so you're regulated. You have straight backing. You have laws and everything that you have to meet and adhere to. So there is a lot of that risk management, kind of controlled for a lot of people that are scared. They don't understand what that team in the background technically can do or where they're from. You know, and ultimately, you guys have been in the space making value for so many years, doing so well, and continually to grow that it just shows the power of the team behind it. You know, and that gives a little bit more people's risk management control on one of the user platform versus some of these other platforms that they don't have that kind of reputation already built and the great team that already proven great value within the ecosystem. So I think that's another, a competitor differentiator that you guys have that I think is a win-win.
Yeah, bro, you're totally right.
And I think that an important part of what topic of what we should talk about is how to apply. How do I become, a prop trader member and start utilizing your ecosystem?
Yeah, this progress is so easy. Let me start. The process of becoming a CoinW PropTrading trader takes place in 3 steps. First of all, you need to have a CoinW account, which is our exchange, our spot exchange. Then you proceed to the CoinW website to access CoinW PropTrading. Open the More tab from the top menu and click on the right. Click on the PropTrading button to forward to our CoinW PropTrading website. After that website, you need to enroll challenges. This means you must enroll the first challenge. This is first step. You are more step closer to being a fund trader. You need to complete challenge 1, which is 10% in the normal mode and 8% in the hard mode. 8% in the normal mode and 10% in the hard mode. And advance to the challenge 2. This is the second step. This is the confirmation step. Now you have to finish the first stage, and easier stage is the second step. The second challenge will be easy because it's 5% in the normal mode. 4% in the normal mode and 5% in the hard mode. But I am not sure. Maybe it's 5% in both phases. I just forget it. Sorry. And congratulations! If you completed the 2 phases, you are an official CoinW PropTrading trader. So you can start trading with your funded account and you can withdraw 80% of your profits.
Yeah, that seems pretty simple. I mean, obviously, I figured you had to have a CoinW account overall. It just kind of helps with the ecosystem. And obviously, there's so much value with just the spot trading platform alone, with all the volume trading campaigns and all the cool stuff that you have launching on there. So just having you go there alone is going to be great. So you guys can check out the platform. Super user friendly. I enjoy it. Jump on there, check them out, see what kind of rewards and activities they have going. But then on top of that, 3 easy steps. Obviously, you guys, are very wise and understanding of the blockchain. I'm sure these 2 challenges will be cakewalk for you guys. So if you guys are looking to join up on there, please join CoinW account, sign up, jump over there to prop trading and start those challenges up. That's pretty exciting. Now, one thing obviously that a lot of people are always asking is early bird kind of benefits. Are they doing anything for anybody that are coming on the ecosystem early now that you guys are launching this platform? So are there any benefits for people that are like early birds?
Yes, we have lots of benefits. For example, the first thing is time limited 80% commission fee or referral fee of referral made by users. This means you can get 8% commission from your referral PropTrading users, and this referral commissions rate in originally 5%. We changed that 8% for the beginning, for the early birds. And also there are some free challenges and 50% discount on challenge coupons in our trading application. You can find detailed information about our social media and our community. And I want to mention about affiliate program. For the early birds, you can earn 30% commission if you want to be affiliate for CoinW PropTrading. Yeah, basically these are our early birds advantages. Also, we have really good audition fees. This means audition fees not coming from a promotion, but this is like some kind of launch audition fees. This is really cheap, almost 80%. Almost 50% discounted prices due to the market, due to the prop trading market.
Obviously, that's a lot of inherent value that people can get right away. So I think that's pretty exciting. And ultimately, what I got excited for was that last little part, affiliate program. I know that my community and I were really big on affiliate programs and understanding like ambassador program, because we love to organically grow projects that we actually support and we like. And we're a huge fan of the CoinW exchange and what you guys have been doing. So this prop trading is going to be obviously a no-brainer for my community to be able to really earn obviously a good early standing opportunity to earn value within the ecosystem, but also help grow you guys, because a lot of the value in this ecosystem is through people sharing good projects with other people. I know I have a strong community here at the miners, and then I have a couple private community of friends that we all share really great projects. And I think this is another value that I'm going to be able to share and feel comfortable sharing, because I know that in the wild west out here in crypto, shilling is important, but sometimes it's scary to shill some projects, right? So I think that this is obviously a no-brainer that's going to allow people to really earn some decent commission, but while also helping grow you guys in the long term. But with that being said, did you want to maybe talk a little bit about the affiliate program? Kind of tell us what it's about and just kind of break it down a little.
Yeah, of course. Invite your community or your friends to CoinW PropTrading, and don't miss out on different advantages. This means commission up to 30%. Don't miss your chance to earn up to 30% commission challenge purchase, And there's an exclusive discount opportunity. Apply to the affiliate program and for a discounted link at a special rate just for you. And also there's a different kind of different tiers for the affiliate program. You can, moving up to the affiliate program is easy, and there are no limits. Raise your affiliate level and you can earn more. And bonus, free challenges and some kind of rewards. This is like, we really love to support our affiliates and our partnerships. So we give the affiliates free challenges for giveaways, or the affiliate can use that challenge. Affiliate can get a funded account, and also there are some physical rewards, gifts like the mouse pad, t-shirt, hoodie, any kind of. And for the affiliate program, you can directly contact with this Twitter account, or you can type you want to be affiliate to our community. This is so simple.
No, that's awesome. No, I love it when it makes it easy of access. But you guys obviously give a lot of inherent value, because ultimately, scaling up your traders and having a regional awareness, right, from different people telling people and shilling, I think it's going to be awesome for organic growth. You guys already have a huge network, a huge community, but having your guys' community come in and bring a huge value to you guys and kind of grow and then get rewarded for it is kind of huge, in itself. I think that's great for the community. I will say we've kind of covered like 90% of what my questions were, and understanding about your platform. But I always like to give a couple minutes towards the end of the AMA and all the information that you brought to us. But to make sure that we covered everything and make sure we didn't miss anything, or if you want a last call to action before we move on to the next phase of the AMA. Are you there? I can't hear you. I don't know what happened on my end, or if it's you muted. I'm not sure what's going on. I can't hear anything. You just have to give me just 1 second. I think I'm gonna have to reconnect because I can no longer hear you speaking. I know you have your mic open and speaking, but I can't hear anything. I don't know if it's my end or your end, but I think it's my end.
Can anybody hear me right now? If you can hear me, can you please, send some emojis or something?
All right, I'm back. I think it was my end. I don't think it was yours. I think it was my connection. I can hear you loud and clear now. I'm sorry. Go ahead and continue with that. I don't know what I missed or if you finished. If you did finish, I'm sure everybody heard you. It was just my end. I don't know what was going on. I am on my Wi-Fi. Maybe it had a random hiccup.
Oh, welcome back, bro. I think my side is completely clear. We
All
are.
right.
Yeah.
No, yeah, that's perfect. Well, I have a one hand, two hands up that just came up. Did have three, but sometimes they go down after a while. So if you don't mind, I wouldn't mind pulling up a couple of community members. Maybe they have some questions for you. I do apologize, but I do have to wrap up about 5 or 6 minutes earlier to the top of the hour, only because I do have to run to a school appointment for my child. They called me up and was like, I need you here. So I told them that they need to give me 40 minutes before I could do anything, but I do apologize by that. But yeah, I wouldn't mind getting into a couple community questions before we get to closing statements.
Okay. Keep going on, bro.
All right, I just approved Jack. When it does pull you up, go ahead and start your question whenever you are unmuted. There you go. You've been pulled up. And now whenever it lets you talk, just go ahead and with your question, buddy. Go ahead, Jack. You have the mic.
Yeah. Hi, Samurai Jack.
It's funny. Twitter's been giving a lot of issues lately on my AMAs towards the end. So we see you there, Jack. You're on our side. Your mic is unmuted. So go ahead and with your question whenever you can.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Jack. Hello, nice to meet you.
Okay, wonderful AMS section. So I want to ask, how do you get to empower users who are still new to trading, like newbies, complete newbies? How do you empower them with skills and training so they can become professional traders?
Yeah, thank you for that question, Jack. We have, two different files. This means the users need to make, complete the profit target, and we just, support the users with the newbie users. We give them free educations about trading, and we have very skilled traders in our community. We just ask them to support our new users and some kind of that. And when you complete the two files, you can start trading as a CoinW Prop Trader.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jake. Nice to meet you.
Hey, good question. Good question. And I always say this all the time that education is an ever growing thing. So if you are interested, Jack, to get in this platform, I would say, start YouTubing, start watching some of these other traders and understanding how they analyze stuff and, start practicing a little bit and then dip your toes in it. You never know how well you can do. But I always say you got to risk it for the biscuit, right? So good question, buddy. And good luck out there. And I hope you do try it out because it could be huge value. You never know how well you can become. And, everybody was a beginner at one point. So Clayson, you are up. Your hand's up. Go ahead. You are ready for your question, buddy. Thank you for waiting patiently.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Clayson, nice to meet you.
Okay. My question is, what blockchain do you use? Why did you decide to use that blockchain? That's my question, sir.
Actually, I think this question is about some, philosophy of the blockchain. The CoinW is an exchange, and we are serving the users who want to, trade cryptos. And for the CoinW PropTrading, we provide users same product like trading, who wants to trade crypto. And there is more. We just give them a starting capital from 5,000 USDT. So basically, CoinW PropTrading's main focus is grow with the successful traders. Yeah, basically that's all. I don't know it's enough for your questions, but basically CoinW PropTrading is funding successful traders and also support the new traders.
And to little piggyback on that they are more chain agnostic because they're a centralized exchange. There's many chains that they operate on, but they're not actually on itself because they're an order book within itself as a centralized exchange. So it gives you, I would say, a little bit more control over what you're utilizing, and it allows you to utilize USDT for your trades versus having to be all up on different chains with native fees and all this other stuff to do these type of prop trading. So ultimately, there's a lot more inherent value with that and simplicity within your prop trading. So I hope that actually helped answer on top of that, or the question on top of that. Let's get another one up here. That was a good question, though. Let's try, I like all these new faces I've been having. Let's try Skylar 2.0. Whenever you are unmuted, go ahead with your answer.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Go ahead.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, yes. Nice to meet you, Skylar.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Okay, my question, what are your marketing strategies right now? And how does and security of its traders?
Oh, I cannot hear clearly. Is it problem in my end?
No, can you repeat? You were cutting out the whole time, Skylar.
Yeah. What are your marketing strategies right now?
Yes.
I mean marketing strategy. Yeah. And how does your project protect the privacy and security of users' funds?
Yeah, bro.
I mean security.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can continue.
It's my question. Are you understand?
I think that was his question. I think he ended right there, bud.
Yeah, okay. I didn't hear you clearly, but I think you are asking our marketing strategy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, as I mentioned that we need to reach successful traders. This means we have two different marketing strategies. One is coming from our CoinW PropTrading CoinW exchange users, and the second is new users who not joined the CoinW. So our marketing strategy is reaching that users as much as we can do, because there are lots of successful traders in the world, and maybe you are one of them, the successful traders. So basically, we will focus on our Twitter, our social media and community, and also YouTube and TikTok channels for reach more traders. After the reaching the traders, we will focus to onboard them into CoinW PropTrading and make a chance to try themselves to be a prop trader. Yeah, I think. Is it okay with this answer, Skylar? Do you want to add something else?
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. That was a good little question there. Let me get one more up before we move over to closing statements. Let me get an OG. Let's try B. How you doing, B? How you doing? Wolf in Jail is the actual username. This is an OG in the channel. Been here a very long time. Glad to have you. Let's get you up here for a question. Whenever it unmutes you, go ahead with your question, buddy. If it lets you up. You're welcome, buddy.
To 48 hours to process withdrawals issued by users, that's funded traders. So I was wondering, like, how long does it take for your platform to actually process withdrawals placed by your platform? And do you normally vet and verify these withdrawals placed by users?
Yeah, bro. There is a little bit noise in the background, the music noise, but I think I understand your question. You are asking about the withdrawals, right?
Yes. How long it takes to verify and pay out withdrawals?
2 weeks. It takes 2 weeks, and you can withdraw in every 2 weeks, 14 days.
Okay, and if I was to actually make this withdrawal, you say it takes 2 weeks. So I placed a withdrawal, and let's say I place a withdrawal today. Like, when should I be expecting the money in my address or my account?
You will withdraw in your CoinW spot account. You will withdraw as a USDT. Then you can withdraw is any address you want in multiple chains like TRC, ERC, or Polygon, anyone you want.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you, Master. Thank you. I should be best.
Yeah, thank you so much for the question. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you, B, man. You never let me down. When I said OG, man, he always has a good question. That by far was my favorite question of it. Understanding the withdrawal, understanding how to make value, and then where the fundage goes and how it goes. And I think that was a really good question, a really great answer. And with that being said, I like to, kind of move over to closing statements. So if you have any last minute call to action or closing statements you want to say out now to the community before I move on to closing statements, you have the floor. Did you hear me, buddy? I'm sorry. I might have cut out or might have spoke too fast.
Oh, for me?
Yeah, I was kind of we're getting close to the top of the hour, and I usually like to give the last few minutes for any call to action or anything you want to say towards the end of the AMA before I move over to closing statements.
Thank you for all listeners, bro. I just thought that you are talking with the B, but OG. But thank you so much for all the listeners, and we are waiting to follow our social media and join CoinW PropTrading for get a funded account. And if you have any questions or if you need any kind of support, even it's about the trading strategies, you can feel free to ask in our community, our Telegram or Discord community, bro. Yeah.
No, I totally agree. Actually, my favorite place is to join the community and actually ask questions from the community members, because a lot of times the community members went through similar things and they can guide you through things, those pains and the ins and outs, and actually help you guide yourself to a successful understanding of the platform. So ultimately, I always say that to please miners, jump on their socials. You can click on them right now, follow them. I always say Twitter is the best place because Twitter is becoming the new hub of instant news in the crypto scene. But if you are looking to get your answers or get your questions answered, or even just kind of understand the platform more on the community side, jump in their community, ask some questions, be a part of it. You never know what kind of connections or friendships you can foster. I'm already a CoinW exchange member. I love the platform, and I'm only going to be checking out the the prop trading myself. Obviously, I always say it's no financial advice. Do your own research, but opportunities are opening up in the space, and you don't want to miss out. So please check it out. Do your research. The best way to understand a platform is by just jumping on there and looking at it yourself, seeing how well they built it. Overall, I think that right there is going to the platform is going to play a huge part, and not only the value of current traders, but traders that are coming into the ecosystem. I think that this is a safe place, at least a safer place compared to a lot of other places that you can have a good returns, but also have that chance to really have the good support, because a lot of early people in educating and trading is some of the biggest problems. And I think having CoinW supporting you in the background is going to alleviate a lot of those pains. So a huge round of applause to you, buddy. I really do appreciate you coming on, telling us everything about the platform, the entire CoinW team for building such an incredible platform for people to utilize, and literally taking care of the roadblock I think that millions of people in crypto are having trouble with, and that is having a bigger funding to be able to make and create real value in the ecosystem. Because sometimes $100 just doesn't feel like it created a lot of value, but having thousands of dollars to be able to make those plays can really not only change your life, but make you feel exciting about the success that you have in the space. So you're going to be fostering really good growth, really good scalability. The platform's awesome. So for those eager to know more, remember to check out their website, check out their community. The resources are available. CoinW's team is fantastic. They're always there. They're always available. I know because I work with them. I talk with them all the time, and they have a huge community. So if you are just looking for a great place to be a part of and grow with and scale through the bull run and find opportunities, CoinW is the place to be. I really do appreciate you coming and talking about your platform and everything you guys are doing. It's just really exciting. And props to the prop trading guys over there. You guys are doing real good. And to the community members that are going to be utilizing it, please share your success story in our Telegram so that we can then forward it over to the CoinW team, and they can be highlighting the success of the prop trading from just our community. It's just been really exciting. And please don't hesitate to keep us updated with any type of new features, anything going on, or even the success rate of the growth metrics of you guys as you guys continually grow and scale up. We would love to be able to keep our community updated so they can be like, I remember seeing them in the beginning, or some of the other people saying, hey, I was a part of them at the early bird stage. I want that to be kind of the fostering growth that we do in crypto. So I really do appreciate it. And until next time, good luck with everything, and I appreciate it. And everybody stay safe in this space. Do your own research, and make sure you always double check everything. Appreciate it, guys. Until next time, you guys stay up.
Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.